Direct replacement. This drum brake hardware kit is designed to match the original hardware required to repair the drum brake on specified vehicles. Ideal solution. This kit is a reliable replacement for original components that have failed due to fatigue. Durable construction. This kit is made from quality components to ensure reliable performance and a long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by a team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This drum brake hardware kit is designed to match the original hardware required to repair the drum brake on specified vehicles. Made of quality components, this kit is engineered for reliable performance and durability. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Quality product. Use this kit on my 2002 Honda Civic X. I believe the springs I replaced were factory OEM quality with the same bends and lengths on springs. Don't forget to wear eye protection.